Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Are you looking for the perfect gift to send somebody who needs a little bit of cheering up? I think that gift boxes are such an amazing tool for that. And this one is by Naha Flume, and I wanted to show you how really beautiful the box is that it comes in. I mean, look at that. It's so cheerful, it's so pretty, and it's sure to make someone smile. Naha Flume really thought of everything here, just the way the presentation is. You don't have to worry about gift wrapping. It's all done for you in this beautiful box. It comes with fun confetti inside, and even the box itself has a sweet "Hello Gorgeous" message. It comes with a little card in there too, so just everything has been thought of. They even get a tumbler. They get items they can reuse. There's also a bracelet in there, so it's just really sweet and thoughtful. And the second you open it, you can smell how wonderful the soap and the candle and the bath bomb smell. Like, it just greets you with just this happy, fresh scent. Comes with a cute little card and again that beautiful bracelet. So very thoughtful gift. So this is a ready-made gift, whether you're sending it straight to somebody who maybe lives far away, or I love to get these boxes and have them when guests come and stay with us. It's just a little something that's going to make their stay extra special. So from the moment that your friend receives this gift and even just goes to open the box, they are going to feel loved. It's like receiving a hug in the mail. So if you're looking for the perfect little gift box, I highly recommend checking this one out by Naha Flume, but that's just my point of view.